18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
You know, it did look like a lot of cold air aloft today with clouds developing. Boy, it is really cold as you go up in the atmosphere today. And this is look from our tower cam looking eastward at a pretty heavy snow shower that's in northern Clinton County right now. It almost looks like a summer thunderstorm. Little fibrous top here, very low freezing levels. It may be 40 here at the ground, but it's around 30 a few hundred feet up. So we're able to get snow to the ground, even some graupel, small soft hail, with it still being that warm near the surface. So with all this cold air you've got up in the atmosphere, these clouds are bubbling up and looking like summer thunderstorms. We've had thunder reported in Benton County, and right now on Precision, we've got a cloud-to-ground lightning strike to the west of Chalmers being picked up by our lightning tracker system. So you can't rule out a little thunder shower or two this evening with some of these snow squalls, if you will. We had a pretty good squall pass through here with sheets of wind-driven snow and some pretty gusty winds as well. Notice right here from near Rossville, Flora, all the way back to about Clarks Hill, Williamsport, this is wind-driven sleet, perhaps a little very small soft hail, maybe a rumble of thunder, and snow pellets. And it's coming down pretty hard, enough to accumulate briefly before it melts off. This is all working its way off to the east and southeast. A little farther northward, this is snow pellet action here. Northern Newton, northern Jasper County. These are dropping to the southeast towards northern White, Pulaski, and eventually western Cass. And we're getting a few snow showers in Cass and Miami counties at the present time. Now, once the sun sets, these will tend to dissipate with time, and then we'll clear out for the remainder of the night. And it will be a cold night indeed. Temperatures have cooled off. You know, we had a high of 43. It's now 38 at Lafayette, 40 Monticello, 41 at Rensselaer. And as we head into the evening, temperatures falling to about 30 by 11. Any scattered snow shower action will fall apart and dissipate, and skies will clear out. That will lead to the coldest night of the season, lows in the mid-20s. Tomorrow, the wind picks up, and now those winds will usher in a lot of warmth. We could be at 70 early next week with rain and storms, and then yet another big cool down. Mid-20s area-wide tonight. The skies clear. Have the ice scraper handy in the morning with pretty widespread frost. 25 Winnemac, Lafayette, Monticello, Burlington, and Flora. About 26 at West Lebanon and Pine Village up to Boswell. And tomorrow, generally 50 to 55, mostly sunny. Winds out of the southwest. Pretty windy day, but much warmer here in the region. 53 Lafayette and West Point, and then warmer still on Saturday, 59 Monticello. And for the big Boilermaker Buckeye matchup, 59 degrees, mostly sunny, windy, 61 at Pence, and about 58 at Frankfort. Then it gets active again. You know, after Saturday, a few showers very late Sunday, rain and storms with some pretty widespread substantial rainfall next week, and then turning sharply colder. We're going to have more on what could be a pretty active week next week, wind and warmth.
Okay, that's quite a drop in temperatures.
And we're all over the place. We're going to go from this snow to 70. How about that?
Yeah, sounds good to me. I like the 70 part. All right, thanks, Chad. Coming up next, news.